Y'all know how I said like a long time ago that I would make VR content. Like, I'll put a picture right here. I tried my best. When I record my VR, it does not it just doesn't work. So I'm getting a new VR, the MetaQuest 3S. I'm so excited, bro.
What the hell?
It might be a couple months, but when I do get it, I will make videos. Yes, I will. So be ready.
What the hell?